Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing Jocko Fuel Combat Tested 2.0. Jocko Fuel Combat Tested 2.0 is designed as an all-in-one performance and recovery supplement promising improved strength, focus, and endurance. We've been using it for about a month, and while it does deliver results, there are things people don't talk about enough. The ingredient profile is solid. It includes creatine monohydrate, beta-alanine, and electrolytes for endurance, along with nootropics like tyrosine for focus. During training, the energy feels clean and consistent, no jittery caffeine crash, and no heart-pounding anxiety. Recovery times also felt slightly faster, which is a big plus. However, the unfiltered part is the sleep effect. If taken too late in the day, it can mess with rest cycles because of the stimulant synergy, so timing matters. We also noticed that while the flavor is better than earlier versions, it's still chalky and a bit hard to mix perfectly. On the bright side, it's tested for banned substances, which gives peace of mind to athletes. The cons? It's expensive, and the serving size isn't generous. You'll finish a tub in under a month if used daily. Overall, Combat Tested 2.0 is one of the better pre-workouts for balanced energy, but it's not flawless. It performs, but you need to manage timing and dosage to avoid sleep disruption. This has been how to literally keep things smart and simple and scam-free.